hundo, 4.2.
59 Fox, make a right 360 for spacing with helicopter traffic. We'll be crossing the good field.
Right 360 for 59 Foxtrot.
6 Tango Romeo, clear to land north helipad, then taxi to the ground.
That's a north end with you, 6 Tango Romeo.
Jet 854, contact Bradley 12395.
2395, it's a certified, we're good for a left turn now.
Left turn approved.
Left turn approved, departure 1854.
1600, right turn 360. And Tower 59 Foxtrot, how's that spacing now?
59 Fox, you're good.
59 Foxtrot, continuing. And Tower 59 Foxtrot requesting restricted numbers from here.
59 Fox, runway 2, clear to land.
Clear to land runway 2, 59 Foxtrot. Alright. Put the power down. Power down to 15. I'll do 1 notch of flat here. 13 hundo. $11 hundo, Pappies are coming in. Got 1 on the Pappy there. Two on the Pappy, there we go. Alright, we're gonna trim up for 70. Airspeed looks good, we're at 70. Free on the Pappy. Getting pushed a little bit from the left. Speed looks good. We got another notch in here. 2 notches in. Power's going back.
Tower Crew, Test 355, speed solo, currently 12 miles to the west. Would like to request a full stop on runway 29.
Check 355, you're on Hartford Tower, check Worcester frequency.
Roger that, thank you.
59 Fox, I guess we left at Charlie, and you're taxiing at Jet Center?
Charlie to Jet Center, yeah, correct sir, thank you.
Taxi Jet Center via Alpha Delta.
Jet Center Alpha to Delta, 59 Foxtrot, have a good day.
Good day.
flap 0. Landing lights off, fuel pumps off, mixtures linked ground apps. Alpha to Delta.
Protect 202 right, turn approval, only 2 clear for takeoff, wind count.
22, 56 Alpha, can approve, thank you.